guys, welcome to my channel. Doors be popping. I'm glad y'all tuned in today. This is my first time doing clip-ins and I think I did a great job. Let's get to it and then we'll talk about the hair. Before we do it, please subscribe to my page, Doors Be Popping, to my channel, Doors Be Popping. Hit the notification bell and give this a thumbs up. Thank you. Okay, this is the package. This is how it came. Inside, they gave us a thank you card for purchasing the item. They also gave us instructions on how to take care of it and make it last longer. Inside the box, we have the hair. And they also gave us eyelashes. And a comb with a fist, haha, and also extra clips. It looks like it's 3 in here. Okay. I pretty much am going to cornrow all my hair all back. I did do this braid in the front because this is the part that's going to be out when the hair is out. This is the hair packed up. I'm about to take it out of the net that it came in. This is the hair. It looks full. This is a 14 inch and it's a 1B. Okay. It feels very light. Doesn't feel heavy at all. So for beginners like me, to start to do your hair, you have to snap it back this way and it will open. That's how you click it for the hair to open, for the combs to open up. And now they're open. Okay, so before I start putting the clips in my hair, I decided that I'm just going to run my fingers through some of them so it can look fuller. When it gets in my hair, that's when I actually like to make it more fuller. But just for purpose's sake right now, I'm just going to put my fingers in between each one of them. And you see how full it gets, how full each strand gets. Because it's going to be like a little fro kind of. Again, this is 14 inch 1B here, and this is the 3 clips that I did just now. Let me do the other one now. Just putting my hands through them, making them look more fuller. Okay. clip, on that video. Just looking at my hair from looking at the camera. This hair is VANALIA's Kinky Curly Hair Clips. It's natural black, 100% Remy human hair. It's 100 grams of human hair. It was 7 pieces to it with 18 clips to go with it, and this is 14 inches of hair. This hair is good to work with. It's very, very light. I actually had puffed it out too much. Yeah, so I actually teased it too much. And so all I had to do was add water, spritz water back into it, and the curls came popping right back out. So this hair is good. All you have to do, I also put leave-in conditioner in it so the curls can come in and it won't look too dry. I guess that's what you do every day so your hair won't look too dry or whatever. But besides that, I love this hair. This hair was roughly $50. I want to say $48.90. I got it off of Amazon. Again, the name of the hair, the product is from VANALIA Kinky Hair. And yeah, I think you guys should try it out. It's very good. Only use 7 pieces in my hair, and it looks really good. It looks really full, and I'm loving it. Again, let me know what you guys think. Put some information or tell me what you think in the comment box. Give me some feedback. So let me know how you feel this hair is. And yeah, go order you some. All right, now check you out later. You guys have a blessed day.